Порно-студия забендuro представляет саранаканский секс. В главных ролях Алексей Рогалев, Артем Владимирович
и Санька GasGas.
Сан Саныч и Александр Дрожинов. По совместительству главный оператор и режиссер.
I feel like a ghost, I don't know why. I feel like a ghost, looking for life. Floating, never in the daylight, haunting everything I lost. I feel like a ghost, I don't know why. And all I want is a little hope. And all I want is to feel my soul. Please fill up my soul. My time is running low. Please fill up my soul. My life isn't all. If I diagnose the pain in my life and try and find a way to revive, searching for the antidote, but no one's telling me the cure. I'm just so alone, and I don't know why. And all I want is a little hope. And all I want is to feel my soul. And all I want is a little hope. And all I want is to feel my soul. Please fill up my soul. My time is running low. Please fill up my soul. My life isn't all. Please fill up my soul. My time is running low. Please fill up my soul. My life isn't all. Save me, you can. Let me up in it. What you give, I'll take it. Promise I'll break it. Promise I'll make it. Is a little hope. And all I want is a little hope. And all I want is to feel my soul. Please fill up my soul. And time is running low. Please fill up my soul. My life isn't a whole. Please fill up my soul. And time is running low. Please fill up my soul. My life isn't a whole.
All my life I've barely spoken. Your words have been so broken. I've been under your hypnosis. Why did I sip that potion? I'm so done with holy ghosting. My birth, it is an omen. Lay me down up in the ocean until you see no motion. Right now I can barely focus. I'm showing no emotion. On your knees, show your devotion. My skin is black but golden. I'm not here for bragging, boasting. Ain't lying, I've been chosen. Mind is burning, heart's exploding. This is my magnum opus. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me? Step in the fire, get ready to take it higher. Real nigga coming out your ever certified. Y'all want every black man to be rich and pride. Why these white ones fuck up and turn into shy, huh? Cell phone became your brother. Internet replaced your mother. You leaving homies on red. It's no wonder all your friends dead. Jealousy was a centerpiece, so my best friends turned to enemies. Sabotage my identity. Why they wanna treat me like a Kennedy? They wanna affect the legacy. Protect the heart, I cut off the extremities. I'll never be another piece in your recipe for social supremacy. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but till I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot them, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Whoa. I feel it coming now. It's too late to shut it down. Over the mountain now. Burning the valley down. I don't know what my mind is. Don't even know what time is. Somebody stop the virus. I don't think I survive this. I feel it coming now. It's too late to shut it down. Over the mountain now. Burning the valley down. I don't know where my mind is. Don't even know what time is. Somebody stop the virus. Room full of bodies, but nothing but silence. Yeah, I'm quiet, but fuck all that shyness. Go crazy, turn this bitch into an asylum. You fly, but we ain't looking for pilots. I never back down to a tyrant, it's highness. Even Jack said fuck all them giants. What goes up comes down, man, that's basic science. Look at my iris and you'll see the fines. I'd rather not get involved with you niggas. What's the problem, man? I'll solve all you niggas, huh? How you find when your time up? How you climb when your line stuck? Barbershop getting lined up. Yeah, your head good, but your mind fucked. Super damn clear, Uber everywhere. This sound like Superman is here. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? In fact, it's good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot it, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me now?
Ну, а иначе никак, блядь. Колесо буксует.
Только ходами чуть проебал.
Ходами.
Хозяин еще ураганно.
Remember back in the day when you taught me to live and I taught you to pray. We went in the battle together, no matter the weather, we never delayed. You gave me commands, I always obeyed. I never let you go astray. I never thought I'd see the day that you would come and just betray me. Sick of playing silly games, you never loved me anyway. You should not have let me get away, cause now I'm hungry for my prey. I'm bigger, I'm better, my mind is a weapon. I won't ever let up. You try to break me down and I'ma just get up. They ask me how I did it, I'ma just tell them I rose up. I'm a survivor. Fight for my life. Coming back stronger. I will arise. I'm a survivor. Fight for my life. Coming back stronger. I will arise. Staring at you from afar, analyzing every scar, asking myself how we got here. Remember, this is who we are. I am not here for revenge. I did not come to make amends. Not here to repent for my sins. I just came here to win. I just came here to end. I just came here to fight. Show you everything you said I couldn't be. I became overnight. This for the blood, this is for the tears, this is for my pain and my plight. Two walked in, but only one of us is walking out of here tonight. I'm a survivor.
Ну все, поехали домой.
На мотоках. Ой, Господь Бог и местные тут любят нас, что с третьей попытки Бог любит троицу, как говорится.
Сегодня мы попросили просто А так, делай руку, чтобы
Еще одну сейчас куплю. Все красиво. Это, короче, Леха. Саня.
Сейчас встретиться кликами, ты скажешь, нет, это я, и Саня, или там, или Леха.
На, открывай нахуй.
Смотри.
Это я.
Красиво-то мне надо было.
Эти мне больше всех, кстати, нравятся наклейки. Вот эти самые красивые. Саранакан. Долго мы сюда пытались прорваться. Крест, Большой Саранакан, Малый Саранакан. Едем вниз.
Ох, ибо...
Мото дельта планеризм.
Я пьяна, не доеду до дома.